solving a multiplication problem using base 10 blocks, an array model, and some mental math. Our multiplication problem today will be 26 multiplied by 14. 26 and 14 are the factors in this problem, and we are looking for the product. To start ourselves off, we will estimate the product of 26 multiplied by 14. To estimate this product, I will round the factor 26 down to the benchmark number 25 to make it easier for us to work with. Next, I will look at the factor 14. 14 can be seen as 10 plus 4. Now we know that 25 multiplied by 10 is 250. We can figure out what 25 multiplied by 4 is by skip counting. 25, 50, 75, 100. So we know that 25 multiplied by 4 is 100. Next, we will add our two products together. 250 plus 100 equals 350. So our estimation for the problem 26 multiplied by 14 is 350. Our next step will be to solve this problem by creating an area model with the base 10 blocks. We will start by laying out the factor 26 with 2 blocks and 6 units. Next, we will lay out the factor 14 using 1 rod and 4 units. Our next step will be to fill in the area of the rectangle we have created. We know that 10 multiplied by 10 is 100, so we can use a flat of 100 to fill in this space. Another 10 multiplied by 10 is 100. We know that 1 multiplied by 10 is 10, so we can fill this space with a rod. We will continue like this until the area is filled. Now that the area of our rectangle is filled, we can find out the product of our multiplication problem by counting our blocks. We have a lot of rods and units in our rectangle area, so we can make counting easier by exchanging these for larger pieces when possible. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rods. We know that 10 rods is equivalent to 100, so we can exchange those for a flat of 100. Next, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 units. We know that 10 units is equivalent to 1 rod, so we can make that exchange. Another 10 units can be exchanged for another rod. Now that we've exchanged all that we can count. We have 1, 2, 3 flats of 100. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rods. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So we now know that the product of the factors 26 and 14 is 364. The area model can also be seen as a pictographic array model. By creating an array of 26 squares by 14 squares, we can find the product to our problem. To simplify things, we can subdivide 26 into 10, 10, and 6, and 14 into 10 and 4. 10 multiplied by 10 is 100, and again, 6 multiplied by 10 is 60, 4 multiplied by 10 is 40, and again, and 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. Now we'll add all of our products together. 100 plus 100 plus 60 plus 40 plus 40 plus 24 is 364. Our product strategy will be quite similar to our estimation strategy. We will break down our factors into their benchmark numbers and remaining components to make our problem easier. 26 can be broken down into the benchmark number 25 plus 1. 14 can be broken into the benchmark number of 10 plus 4. Our next step will be to multiply our factors. 25 times 10 is 250, 25 times 4 is 100, 1 times 10 is 10, and 1 times 4 is 4. The final step will be to add our products. 250 plus 100 is 350, plus 10 is 360, plus 4 is 364, our product. And that concludes our lesson on multiplication using the factors 26 and 14.